Hey there, it is tailgating season time, and that means it's time to make some tailgating treats. I'm doing this as part of a collaboration hosted by my pals at Just Cook the Damn Food. And they are doing a collaboration of tailgating foods under the hashtag tailgating life. So today I'm going to be making something called French onion cups. It's kind of like French onion soup, but in a cup. Let's do it. Let's spray that muffin tin. I got these puff pastry sheets. I'm just going to cut those up and put them in each hole. I'm just slicing up 2 sweet onions. I'm going to add those onions to a pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm just going to let them saute until tender and caramelized. Season with some salt, black pepper, and some thyme. I'm going to add a half a cup of beef broth. Bring that to a boil and allow it to simmer until most of the liquid has dissolved. And now you mix in 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And now I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of onion mix into each cup. Add a tablespoon of cheese to each cup. I'd suggest Gruyère or Swiss. And I'm going to cook these in a 375 degree oven until golden brown, about 20 to 22 minutes. Here they are, French onion cups, and they look really good and really cute. Gotta try it. Wow. That's amazing. It's those caramelized onions, absolutely incredible. It is French onion soup in a cup, and I like it. And to see more fun tailgating foods, make sure you check the hashtag tailgating life. My friend just told me about a superfood that contains protein, fiber, and good fats. That's nuts!